So, welcome to another Learn Clojure video. In this video, we will look about how to find out what's wrong. Like if a spec fails, you need to find out what's wrong, right? So, how to find out? So, fortunately, Clojure has a thing called explain. So, we will look into it. So, how it works and all those things. So yeah, uh, okay, let me just put a file called spec explain.clj, right? And okay, I just want to copy this one, right? And I also want to copy specking collection, right? So right, okay, so I also want to copy like, okay, this one, number or string. Okay, because like, okay, like I'm just putting this in separate files, but if you download the code that's been linked in my book, you'll get everything in just in the same file, so not a problem, right? So just to explain, I'm just putting it as different files, and that's the thing. So okay, so I just imported this spec over here, right? This seems to work, and number of string I just need it for this section, right? So that's the thing. So now I'll just what to say, like copy this and paste it. So there is a thing called spec explain, right? And I'm just giving it a function number, and I'm just giving a failing value. That is, this is not a number. This is 42, a string. Okay, so that's the thing. And if I just put option enter or alt enter, okay, it just says, okay, a 42 failed number. Okay, so this is okay-ish explanation, I just feel. So that's the thing. So it just says, okay, this function failed and we go for this value, and that's the thing. So you can explain it. But yeah, this is very, very simple scenario, but in complex scenarios, it will be useful, right? But now if I just say like, okay, like spec explain, and then what to say, like a value that doesn't fail, right? So what I get is nil. Okay, so it's a success, right? So why should it what to say, bother or something like that? So that's the thing. And now if I just put something like, okay, number of string, and if I just give, I put 56, it will pass because 56 is a string. Okay, so over here in this number of string, you're checking whether it's a number or a string. Okay, the string will pass, and over here it's S or. So if one thing passes, then it passes. So that's the thing, right? So yeah. Now let's give a keyword to it, right? So this should fail, and this should explain where it failed. Okay, so I'll just put option enter, and yeah. So so it says failed at number. So this 56 failed for this function number, and the keyword for it is number. So maybe like, okay, you can have like, okay, like two strings or something like that, like two or three strings or something like that. But yeah, it failed over here for this given keyword number, and it also failed over here, right? For this string. So it failed in both cases. So this one failed. Okay, so this is how Clojure explains, right? So yeah, that's how you can make some spec explain to you why it passed. Okay, oh, sorry, like why it failed. In fact, like if it passes, it's okay, right? So you mostly need explanation when it fails. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And yeah, so that's it for this video. Until we meet in next video. Bye.